In this chapter, you will learn how to create a Google Play developer account, an essential element if you want to publish your application in the official Android store. Although there are a wide variety of alternatives, you should know that Google Play is the main source of downloads on Android devices. If you want to get visibility, as well as guarantee your users that they are getting it from a reliable medium, follow these instructions. Creating a developer account in Google Play has a unique cost of €25 and will allow you to upload as many applications as you want, as long as you respect the terms and conditions of use of the store. Also, to create it, you'll need to have your own Google account. If you have a Gmail, you will have this part solved. To create your own Google Play developer account, look for Google Play Developer Console. Access the results shown as Developer Console, Google Play. If you are not signed in with a Google account in your browser, you will be prompted to sign in now. If you were already logged into your account before doing this search, you will automatically be logged in. In either case, make sure you sign in with the account you want to post to. You will see that the first step, sign in with your Google account, is already marked as positive, and you are now in the second step that says Accept the Developer Agreement. Go to the bottom of the page and accept the Developer Agreement. It's a good idea to read the distribution agreement so that you are aware of what you are signing. You will not be able to continue until you accept the Developer Agreement. Once done, click Continue to complete payment. Before making the subscription, mark Confirm your country. Enter the identification number optionally, name and other address data. In the next window, you will be asked for your payment details. Enter your card number. If everything went well, you will receive a message notifying you that the process was successful. Now you will have to fill in your account information. The required data is developer name, one of the most important data, because it will be the name of the profile to which you will upload each of your apps. If you intend to show yourself as a brand, this is where you should take it into account. Email address will be the one that will be reflected in your developer profile and the one that users will use to contact you or through which you will offer some kind of support. Generally, it will not coincide with your developer account, since normally if you have a brand, you use a corporate email. Website will be a website referring to your brand as a developer. It is not mandatory, but recommended, as it will serve you for promotion. For example, if you are a developer and want to get more customers. Phone number once again, which will be a method of contact for your users. Check the boxes according to your interest. I would like to receive information about new features and tips to help me improve my app. I would like to offer feedback to improve Google Play Developer Console. Finally, mark Complete Registration. Once this is done, a window of this kind will appear. You will be able to start publishing your applications in Google Play or use the functionality that allows you to do it from King of App.